In this video, I will show you how to add image into HTML. I have open live server so you can see changes right away. So, if I change text, it show on browser. Now need to add image tag with source as you see me doing. To import image, we need to add path to image in src. If we want image from same folder, we just need to add / and image name. As you can see, we have our image displayed. If we want to display image from image folder, then we need to show it in path, as you can see me doing now. And then image from folder is used. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.